Thank you for joining me today. We're talking about dowsing divining rods. They're all different kinds. This is called the dowsing or divining rod. This is another type of dowsing divining rod. This is called a bobber. Isn't that interesting? It just holds one, and you can ask it questions. You can go in directions. You can say yes and no. It can do maybe. It can be reframed. Isn't that fun? It's kind of a fun way to kind of play with divining dowsing rods or pendulums. They've been used for years to find water, oil, minerals in the ground, to find lost objects. They've been used for all of that where they guide us. So come and find out more about these, what we call bobbers, divining dowsing rods and pendulums in our psychic development class, Pendulums and Rods, I hold in October. Come and play with me.